So we have our calendar integrated. So now we want to go and make sure that we check all the boxes that will make sure that we don't double book for any time slots that we already have available for any other calendars that may be out there connected with our account. So we'll do that by going to calendar on the left hand side. We already have this screen open, so we will click on go to calendar settings in the middle button here. And then we will click on connections at the top, the top middle of the screen. And then in the bottom area where it says conflict calendars, on the right hand side, we're going to click on edit. And then we're just going to check all of the boxes that we want to connect with this calendar to make sure that we prevent any type of double booking when we are setting up our calendar events with our customers and our clients. Okay, so we're going to hit save, and then the screen will open back up, and then you'll see below here all of the calendars that are associated with our Google accounts. And these are all of the calendars that it will follow to make sure that anybody scheduling won't schedule on top of anything else out there that you have already on your calendar.